Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reski Amelia from English Literature Class A.
Okay, in this case, I will explain about follow-up after job interview. Okay, the first is, what is follow-up? Follow-up is following up on a certain activity related to business or something that has been done before. The purpose of this follow-up itself is to find out the response from job requirements. Having this follow-up is a good thing to know the discussion whether we are accept or reject. Tidak sedikit para pencari kerja yang setelah selesai mewawancarai tidak kunjung mendapat kabar dari perekrut. Tidak adanya konfirmasi atau kabar dari perekrut bisa membuat pencari kerja kebingungan. Kita pasti akan bertanya-tanya, apakah perusahaan yang kita lamar masih sedang mempertimbangkan keputusan atau apakah perusahaan sudah menolak kita? If you are one of the job seeker who are hung by job requirements, there is one way you can do so that the company you are applying for can immediately be sent news. This method is follow-up. In Indonesia, follow-up means to follow up. It means that we take action to know what will happen next. Alih-alih hanya menunggu kabar dari sang perekrut, kita bisa bertanya kepada mereka tentang status lamaran kita. Masih banyak para pencari kerja yang ragu untuk melakukan follow-up setelah wawancara kerja karena mereka tidak ingin mengganggu atau terlihat putus asa. Akan tetapi, sebagian besar perekrut kerja justru senang ketika ada kandidatnya yang follow-up. Kandidat yang melakukan follow-up akan terlihat lebih proaktif, inisiatif, dan passionate daripada yang hanya diam saja menunggu nasib mereka. Okay, the next is the importance of follow-up. Follow up with the people you communicate with during each stage of the hearing process. Show that you are grateful and excited about the position. This will likely help to increase your chance of getting to the next interview and eventually receiving an offer. Writing a thoughtful follow-up, expressing your enthusiasm about the job, thanking the reader for their time, and including anecdote from your conversation show strong soft skills. Because soft skills are more difficult to teach in the workplace, candidates that show respect, communication, and active listening skill will be highly sought after by employers. It will also make you a more memorable candidate as you will have had more communicative touch points that those who did not send a follow-up. Okay, next is following are the steps for follow-up after job interview. Okay, the first is send email between 24 hours. It's best if you send an email within 24 hours your interview for greater impact. It can also differentiate you from candidates who are also interviewing on the same day as you. The next is shorten and give a beautiful impression. Show that you are interested in being in the position you are applying for. Make sure you write something simple, just 2 or 3 paragraph. Katakan juga bahwa Anda memang kandidat yang tepat untuk posisi tersebut. Anda juga bisa menjabarkan dalam email tersebut beberapa hal yang Anda lupakan pada saat wawancara kerja berlangsung. The last is limit order form of communication. We recommend that you limit the time you contact the company or interviewer after the job interview. For example, calling can disrupt the interview who may be busy with their activity. Again, next is how to do follow-up properly and correctly. The first is ask what happened next during the interview. Saat wawancara selesai, perekrut biasanya akan memberikan kesempatan kepada kita untuk bertanya. Nah, saat itu, gunakanlah kesempatan ini untuk bertanya kapan mereka akan memberikan kabar tentang hasil wawancara ini. Jika wawancara menggunakan bahasa Inggris, kita bisa mengucapkan, "So, what happened next?" untuk bertanya tentang hal ini. Apabila kita bertanya tentang apa yang akan terjadi selanjutnya, kita akan terdengar antusias dan sangat tertarik dengan posisi dan perusahaan yang kita lamar. Selain itu, kita juga akan tahu kapan kira-kira sang perekrut akan mengabarkan kita tentang keputusan mereka. Okay, the next is send a thank you note. If you are one of the job seekers who are hung by job requirements, there is one way you can do so that the company you are applying for can immediately be sent news. This method is follow up. It means that we take action to know what will happen next. In send a thank you note, there are 3 things that must be included in the thank you note. The first is our thanks to recruiter for the time he took to interview us. Second is appreciation for the information and knowledge about the position and the company we are applying for. And the last is our sense of enthusiasm and interest in the position we are applying for. Okay, next is stay in touch. Stay in touch. Walaupun lamaran kita tidak diterima, akan sangat berguna jika kita tetap berhubungan baik dengan perekrut kita. Memasukkan perekrut kita ke dalam jaringan kita merupakan langkah yang baik untuk memupuk hubungan profesional jangka panjang. Siapa tahu mereka akan menjadi klien kita di masa depan. Atau akan ada peluang yang sangat berharga untuk kita jika terus menjaga hubungan dengan mereka. The last is check in. Apabila setelah 2 hari atau lebih dari waktu yang telah dijanjikan, perekrut tidak kunjung mengabari juga, sebaiknya kita tenang dan tidak panik. Terkadang perekrut membutuhkan waktu yang lebih lama dari yang diperkirakan untuk memutuskan kandidat mana yang akan mereka pilih. Nah, pada saat inilah kita bisa melakukan follow up kembali. Kita bisa menuliskan email atau mengirimkan chat kepada perekrut sebagai langkah follow up kita. Okay, the next slide I will explain about how to write a follow-up message after job interview. Now, here is a step-by-step guide for writing a follow-up after interview. The first is start by choosing the right subject line. The best subject line in your follow-up email are clear, concise, and convey appreciation for your interview time. You can use thank you for your time. You can insert interviewer name. Great speaking with you today. Thank you for the opportunity, and you can also just use thank you. Second is open your first paragraph with a thank you. In your first paragraph, mention the specific job title, thank you interviewer for their time, and express your continued interest in the job and company. Next is talk about your interests, goals, and experience. In your second paragraph, note the company name as well as conversation point and goal that seems especially important to the person you spoke with. Connect that point to your experience and interest. Get as specific as possible while keeping it short and to the point. And next is set yourself apart from other candidates. In the final paragraph, close with a summary statement on what set you apart as candidate and what you'll bring to this new opportunity. Invite them to ask you any additional question and close by saying you are looking forward to hearing back. The last is end with a signature and your contact info. Close your email by including your signature and contact information. Choose a professional and friendly closing such as best, sincerely, or thank you. You can see the example from email follow-up. The first is subject line. Second is open your first paragraph with a thank you. Talk about your interests, goals, and experience. Set yourself apart from other candidates. And the last is end with your signature and contact information. The next is follow-up email tips. The first is if there's something you forget to say or want to elaborate on from your interview, this email is a great place to mention it. Second is send your interview follow-up email within 24 hours. The next is start with the name of the person who interviewed you. Use the first name if you are on a first name basis. If not, include both their first and last name. Next is choose an appropriate length. More concise is appropriate for most cases. Close the letter with your name and contact information, including your phone number and your email. Carefully proofread before you hit send. As with everything else you have sent to potential employers, give your follow-up a final edit before you send it. And the last is, at this stage in the hiring process, it may be wise to people to talk about your salary expectation. If you are unsure where to start, visit Indeed Salary Calculator to get a free personalized pay rank based on your location, industry, and experience. I think that's all for me. I hope you guys can understand what I'm explaining, and thank you.
I think that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.